It's not just little things. It's not like, man, shucks, I wish the company just gave us a little bit more info on this as a dasher. I'm out there on the road. I'm trying to make money. I have limited free time. No, this list of 6 things must know, critical things, things related to your money. They just kind of don't tell you any of this. This is coming from a fellow dasher and someone who's done gig work since 2015. All I do is help you make money in different side hustles. Number 1, you know that rewards program? What is it? What is on your Dasher profile app right now? Does it say Dasher rewards or like increase your acceptance rate to get Dasher rewards, and then you get all the perks, primarily the priority access to the higher paying offers? Did you know they have a new program, the overall Dasher rating program? How many marketplaces is it in? Now that we think about it, you might not have even known about the overall Dasher rating program, but let alone, they don't tell you how many marketplaces it's in. Certainly not like they did on the Dasher rewards program, but they're not telling you how often it's expanding either. Yes, they have this list now, finally, of some marketplaces, yes, that have overall Dasher rating, but it's not just this program that they're not telling you anything about when it's coming to your marketplace. Don't believe me? Well, when are they expanding shelf photos? You know, those standalone, I'm not talking about add-on tasks to your current dash, standalone offers like this, shelf photos. When's that expanding? Well, what about the on-time or early rating? That's what I have here in Pittsburgh. Which one do you have? On-time or early, or the newer on-time rate that I'm not hearing fantastic things from dashers, so let me know. When is that expanding? Or Dash Link? I know a lot of dashers don't even know about Dash Link. I have it here in Pittsburgh. It's routed delivery that actually shows you the routes, unlike Amazon Flex. When is that expanding? Well, what about the zone exit bonus? You get paid for leaving your zone. What about distance pay? You get paid based on like how many miles basically at one time. What about gold or reserved zones for new dashers? Well, what about platinum pass or the ability to pause offers from a certain restaurant or merchant location? DoorDash really doesn't tell you anything about like how many marketplaces have that thing and when is it, if it's expanding to your market. And that'd be kind of good to know because those are different like restrictions, features, offers or offer types, bonus pay, all of that stuff, but you're kind of left wondering if and when it's coming to your marketplace. Number 2. This one's kind of fascinating. The fact that, yeah, okay, they won't tell you how many marketplaces have it or when it's expanding. They might not even tell you actual details of what the program is, literally. Like, okay, what's Flash Offers? It's a new program. How many marketplaces have it? All of that, right? We just detailed that. But what even is Flash Offers or are Flash Offers? When Flash Offers came out, it was a text incentive, like a text message incentive, look, from the company that said, we know you're not dashing right now. You would not be online, but they'd offer you $15 extra pay to go online and take this offer. So we're left wondering, is it always $15? Again, what marketplaces? Can I just keep getting $15? If I go offline, what's the frequency? How often would I see Flash Offers? Who knows? Top customer. A lot of us were wondering, what is a top customer? And it says, hey, deliver with care. This is a top customer. And we're thinking, is it a top customer to DoorDash? Like, are they just spending money on DoorDash? Or like what I care about as a dasher, do they tip more? And they've kind of rescinded that or like revised some of the verbiage. Instead of saying like top customer, I've also seen it just say deliver with care. Okay, but do they tip more? Number 3, if you do have the aforementioned on-time rates, again, some initial reviews of that, not too favorable of the on-time rates, but that, look, they'll show you literally if you're on time or if you're late and which leg of the delivery it happened. Like, were you early or on time to the restaurant pickup, and then you were late to the drop off or on time for both, etc. And they'll show you that for on-time rates because it's measured just like acceptance rate on the last 100 deliveries, in this case, completed deliveries, because obviously, early or late, because you're actually on an assignment here. But DoorDash still does not tell you your main metric, especially for Dasher rewards, your acceptance rating. Yes, they show you the calculation oh, your acceptance rate is 85%. Like I mentioned, it's calculated based on the last 100 offers. If you accepted or declined, that's your acceptance rate. But they're starting to show historical on time or early, but they're not showing you the last 100 accepts and declines. And I'm really wondering, are we gonna see that in 2025? Number 4 has been around for a while. You know how you go into your home screen. You can do it right now if you want. To open your phone real quick, go to your home screen and click on that promo tab. And what do you see on the promo tab? Promo and peak pay, right? Maybe a one-off challenge. Let me know if you get challenges. I got one that was $200, by the way. $200 for completing 20 deliveries. That was a fantastic challenge. But what we do not see, and what DoorDash does not tell us, is any scheduled peak pay, because right now, if you're in that promo tab, it's scheduled peak pay on earn per offer, but it's not on earn by time. I've been saying this basically for what, a year and a half, almost 2 years since we've gotten earn by time. Why can't we see if there's scheduled active hourly peak pay on earn by time? Why? Why can't we see scheduled earn by time hourly peak pay? Does it pop up randomly? Is it linked to earn per offer peak pay? Even then, we should be able to see it, because yeah, I could change into earn by time. They're actually revamping the home screen to kind of change up how you go into earn by time and making it easier. Still, why do you think that is? They don't tell you that. Number 5 is gonna frustrate some people. It's kind of if you're starting this whole thing and trying to even pick a side hustle or a gig app, that could be frustrating, because there's hundreds of gig apps. 100 maybe that are big enough that have nationwide coverage. Are those actually worth it? That's frustrating. And then when you start working, understanding if it's actually worth it. That is exactly why I made a new gig tool for you. It's coming out a little bit later in the year, but finishing it up. So if you want to sign up for updates, just sign up for our newsletter so I can let you know you can reserve your spot when that new gig tool arrives. Again, it'll help you choose a side hustle and actually understand your specific earnings. So imagine this, you're dashing, you're out there on a Friday, 5:35 p.m., right getting into the dinner rush. It feels good. I'm gonna get a good offer. And I get an offer, and it's for a restaurant run. Let's say it's $12, 2.4 miles. It's looking pretty good. It's gonna take 24 minutes, perfect. A good dollars to mile ratio, we call it, and dollars to time ratio, everything, positioning, everything, it's good. But they're not actually showing you exactly what you're gonna make, because it's $12 plus. Yes, the plus orders. I'm not talking about an add-on where let's say you accept $8 and then another offer pops up after you've accepted. It says plus $3 for an add-on, whatever it is. No, I'm talking about the plus offers that indicates total will be higher. Not it might be higher, it will be higher. So it'll say $12 plus, $8.25 plus, etc. They don't tell you that full amount. Now, it's basically always going to be good news, because yes, it's always going to go up. That's what that plus is indicating, and this has been around for years. The only thing is, as you probably know, sometimes it'll go up 25 cents, 50 cents, but other times it will go up another $4 because they tipped $20 or something really nice. Number 6, I think actually the company DoorDash, I think we can all agree, because if you've had this, you understand the company should explain this, because they're not explaining it. They're not explaining why this is happening. So you're going online, or maybe DoorDash, and you get a notification just like this. This is from my actual profile. It'll say something like, missing drop-off photos, over a third, 30+% of your Leave It Door contactless deliveries lacked drop-off photos. And you get this, and it's not just oh, man, that stinks. It's well, if you do this too much, these are things that could get your account deactivated. So there goes your revenue stream or your favorite side hustle, dashing in general, and it's like almost impossible to get reactivated unless there's a glitch or something that you can improve. That's not it though. Missing items reported. Multiple customers reported drinks or desserts missing from their orders. And actually, you know what? That's gonna sting even more now. Going back to new programs, we don't know if it's gonna expand or when. There's a brand new program. I'll leave more info about it linked below that is just coming out that would actually penalize you as a dasher for missing items. Think about that. Penalize you for missing items. What does that say for the sealed bag deliveries? And it also sent me, you spent 10 plus minutes near a drop-off before completing delivery in the app. I mean, on Earn Per Offer, that's just a huge waste of time. You're not getting paid anymore, but on Earn By Time, that's another fraudulent thing. If you do that too much, let's say, that could also get you deactivated because you're getting paid more by time. I'm like never on Earn By Time. They always lock it out for me here in Pittsburgh. I don't know why. They could tell me that. But sitting somewhere for 10 plus minutes, I want to get in and out so I can take my next offer. I'm never going to sit there and waste time. That's literally all you're doing. You're sitting there with the food and you're not making the delivery. These are all like glitch or fake notifications. So why isn't DoorDash explaining that? Which one of these affects you the most? This is updated for 2025. We have not seen stuff like this before. Let me know in the comments. Do make sure to join that newsletter as well. That new gig tool, it's coming in a little bit, but I want you to reserve your spot and get more info on that. And check out that new, what are we gonna call it? Feature that's coming out that will penalize some dashers for missing items.